to make fenugreek, Meti, hairspray for hair growth. Soak 2 tablespoons of Meti seeds in 1 cup of water and leave it overnight. Next morning, drain the water solution in a spraying can. Now, spray it on your scalp thoroughly. Let the water be in your hair for 20 minutes, and then wash it with a gentle shampoo. For best results, you have to repeat this every week. How do fenugreek seeds help in hair care? Fenugreek seeds are rich in folic acid, vitamin A, vitamin K and vitamin C, and are a storehouse of minerals such as potassium, calcium and iron. Fenugreek seeds also have high protein and nicotinic acid content, which helps prevent hair fall and dandruff, and in treating a variety of scalp issues like dryness of hair, baldness and hair thinning. It contains large amounts of lecithin, which hydrates the hair and strengthens the roots or hair follicles. According to experts, using fenugreek seeds that have been soaked overnight could prove to be immensely effective for daily hair woes. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.